Upon reaching Panchavati, Lakshmana built a hut. It was there Vulture King Jatayu met Rama. Jatayu was friend of Dasharatha. It wanted to help Rama in what way it could. In this forest, an ugly demon was watching Rama and fell in love with Rama. She was Supanaka, the sister of great demon Ravana. She approached Rama and introduced herself. She asked Rama and told to leave Sita and come with her. Rama told he was not interested with her. In anger, she came to her original face. She tried to attack on Sita, but Lakshmana quickly took off the knife and cut the nose of Supanaka. She cried with pain and went into the forest for the help of her brothers. She told Kara and Bhushana that two humans hit me. Kara was angry. He took his army and went on march against Rama. Rama fought against them while Lakshmana stood like guard near Sita. Rama killed all the army and he killed Kara and Bhushana. She went to Lanka to inform Ravana. Ravana was shocked to see the disfigure of his sister. He asked what had happened. Surpanaka told everything about Rama and Lakshmana and she told Sita was so beautiful. Ravana thought of a plan to get the lovely Sita. Ravana flew in his Pushpaka Vimana. He went to Maricha, the son of Tataki. He asked him to become golden deer. Maricha agreed. He turned himself into golden deer and roamed in front of the hut. She asked Rama to catch it for her. Rama asked Lakshmana to look after and went behind the deer. Deer led him deep into the forest. After some time, Rama thought it would not be able to catch it alive, so he hit the deer and then it became Maricha and imitated Rama's voice and called Sita, Lakshman. After hearing the voice of Rama, she insisted Lakshmana to help the brother. So he decided to leave. Before leaving, Lakshmana drawed a line around the hut and told not to cross this line and he left. Sita was alone, so he took the face of the hermit and went near the hut with begging bowl. Seeing the hermit, Sita brought some food for him and she came outside to give the food. Then he came into his original face. Sita screamed, but it was too late. Ravana took her into his chariot. The chariot went into the sky to go back to Lanka. The vulture king Jatayu saw the Sita. It fought with Ravana, but Ravana had cut out his wings. Sita was very sad that the chance to escape was ruined. She took all her jewels and threw it in the forest with the hope that Rama would see it. When they landed on Lanka, he asked Sita to become his wife and Sita refused. So he left her in the palace garden with ugly demons. Sita was sad and lonely in the strange place. Meanwhile, in the forest of Panchavati, Rama and Lakshmana understood that they have been tricked by someone. When they reached the hut, they found Sita was not there. Rama felt very sad. They met Jatayu and he told Ravana had kidnapped Sita. They felt sad for the Jatayu. Rama and Lakshmana went in search of Sita. Thank you for watching Ramayan Part 4. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Family Fun Time.